In this video I will teach you how to make faceless video using ChatGPT and an AI tool and earn a lot of money. Here in ChatGPT I will type how do I lost weight, and when I press enter key this amazing tool will start generating tips for losing weight in bullet order form. This takes some time for analyzing your query and then start generating your answer. As you can see in first tip this mention that create calorie deficit in order to lose weight you need to consume fewer calories than you burn. This can be done either reducing your calories intake or increasing physical activities or combination of both. As you see this generate amazing tips. Now you copy all of this text and this your script for YouTube video. I will show that software where you can make video from this ChatGPT generated script. So let's get into it. Pictory is the software which will make video from script. Here you can see different options like script to video. Also article, edit video and visual video where you can make visual effects and animation for your videos. I will select script to video. In my case you can paste your script here and this will generate a video for you with high quality voice. This is free software, you just need to log in using Google account and you are ready to go. You can start from trial version. You can make videos so fast for your YouTube channel or Facebook page. This have awesome feature, you can make a lots of money from these kind of videos on YouTube, also Facebook. There is no limit for making money from these kind of methods which is free to use and no money is required. You can make videos on a lots of topics and no need to research because all the research will be done by just ChatGPT. If you like my video don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.